Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy. I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of my product empties and reviewing them, telling you whether I love this product or I didn't like any of them. So, if you want to see what products I have right here, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So guys, whenever you see this bag, you know what time it is. Our series, Product Empties and Review. I have been enjoying this series so much. So, I think we should start with the makeup. The very first thing I have right here is this setting spray from Younger Beauty. This is the Younger Beauty Set to Go makeup setting spray. Finally, there's nothing here. It's finished. I enjoyed this makeup setting spray. It was wonderful. For the longest, I've owned this for the longest time because I had so many setting sprays in rotation and I was not reaching for it as often. And as my setting sprays were dwindling, thanks to Project Pan, I was discovering some other ones. This one I loved this. Will I repurchase it? Yes. But I have other setting sprays I want to go through now. And this one, shipping cost, is enough for me to get 2 bottles. So I don't know. If I have anyone coming from Lag, I might just, buy and ship to them and they bring to me or something like that. But it was a nice product and I would recommend it anytime, any day. The second product I have right here is this product right here. This is the e.l.f. 4-in-1 eyeshadow. It's the matte eyeshadow. Guys, I wanted to do this eye makeup look I currently have, and I discovered that this eyeshadow has started coming out with mold, because whenever I do this, like my matte neutral eye, like easy breezy dark brown every day, I reach for this palette and I was amazed that it has started growing mold. So I had to toss it off. Painful, but that is the thing with eyeshadows. When you own so many products and you rarely reach for them, or you reach for them every once in a while, because most times I reach for like the bigger shadows that have like everything in it, like so many eyeshadows, just any look you want, you can just do it with that one palette. So I don't know, I really feel so bad. It's a nice product. I enjoyed it. The matte brown is matte enough to show on my skin tone. I enjoyed this eyeshadow so much. Will I be repurchasing it? Yeah, if I'm able to get it from e.l.f. Maybe I'm doing any other e.l.f. haul, I will. But man, I don't know how mold, like I've lost almost 3 shadows since last year to this mold thing. And in case you guys are not aware, mold is very dangerous. I have a video I did on how to identify spoiled makeup products. I'm going to link it in the description box underneath this video. Go watch that video. Very important. Whenever you see mold in eyeshadows, please toss that eyeshadow off, throw it away. It's not worth the repercussions that are going to come with using an eyeshadow infected with mold. Okay, the third product I have right here is this Zaron Veils highlight setting powder, and this is in the shade Cruise. Like, it is finito. Why are you not focusing? See, it is finished. I enjoyed this powder. Initially, when I used this powder, I would set and bake with it, and it would just leave this powdery look one kind, and I just got so angry and I dumped it to the side. And then one day I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across a post from Zaron on how to use this powder, like how to set with it, and I started using a dry powder puff, and I would just set lightly. I don't like bake with this powder, and I enjoyed it. See, I finished it. Another good product. Will I be repurchasing it right away? I think not. It is good. I liked it, but I prefer my Beauty by Didi setting powder. It took me years to go through this. I'm not sure I'm buying it anytime soon. if I'm in a bind, like I'm running out of certain powders, yes, it's something I know was good enough that I can use, but I will not be rushing out the door now to get it. The next product I have right here is this my setting spray from Gerald Cosmetics. This setting spray is over 8 years old. This is the Gerald Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I have had it for the longest time, and in the process of shopping my stash, I came across it, and shockingly, it was still in good condition. It was remaining about half of it, and I just decided to finish it up, and now it is finished. I don't think this brand is still in existence. Gerald Cosmetics, I doubt. I've not heard about them for a very, very long while. So, of course, setting spray, I'm indifferent about it. It was just there. Maybe because I stayed too long. It didn't really do much for me. So, no, that is gone. Next, I have 2 packs of baby wipes. The 120, 120, is it 125? I can't even see what they wrote it again. Or baby wipes. What do I do with baby wipes? I use baby wipes, like I always say, to take off my makeup with micellar water at the end of the day. I also use it to clean my brushes, clean my hands when I am applying makeup. So I always have this in rotation at every point in time. I have these 2 right here. The next product I have is this micellar water from Missmetics, and this is the Missmetics micellar water 200 ml. Really, really, really good micellar water. Missmetics, unfortunately, I don't think have a vendor here in Asaba. The closest vendor I found was in Warri, and then their Lagos vendor. But shipping costs, fear not allow me to make another purchase. Is this product good? Yes, very, very good. But I wish they had a vendor like around me here. I could have quickly rushed to purchase it. Though right now, I have my Zaron micellar water, and I also got 1 Nivea micellar water I want to try. So this is a very good one. I would readily repurchase it whenever I can lay my hands on it, but I haven't to pay for shipping cost, of course. The next product I have are these brow pencils right here, all from Didi Beauty. Didi Beauty, you should come and sponsor me now. Come and do collabo, because see, your beauty sponges, your brow pencils, they not get second. If you see this video, holla at your girl. This one now finish. All this I'm showing people, I'm twisting it up so that people are seeing that these things are finished. I dey use this brow gazing brow pencil. I use the living daylight out of it. I have 5 right here. Finished. Bata. Finished. What I normally use to draw on my brows, because it's just easy. The shade is just perfect. It has this pulley on this end, makes grooming the brows and applying brow gel and everything. Makes it so easy. I really, really enjoy this product. I've already repurchased it. This is no need to talk too much, because the House of Tara shop here in Asaba, they carry it. This thing now is like 5,000 naira. I don't know. I got about 3 or 4 of them, because I don't know what they did to me. I can't stay away from this brow pencil. I wish like they had a thing where if you use like 4, they'll give you 1 free one, so that they can recycle this thing and just, the container. I don't know. Did you be able to look into that, please, so that I have plenty? I'll just start keeping them. I might not be buying brow pencil again if that happens. The next product I have is this my Clean and Clear Morning Borough Special Cleanser. You guys know now, this is my jam. I really, really enjoyed this. Like, when you finish, I'll pour water and I will shake it. It will come out and I will use it. This Clean and Clear Morning Bus is not cheap anymore. I've already purchased it. I bought it around 22,000 or so. Very, very expensive, but it is the one thing that I use on my face that doesn't irritate my skin, and it keeps my breakouts at bay. I recently also got the simple moisturizing face wash. I alternate at times, but this one, I've already purchased it. I can't do without it. God will continue to provide money for us to buy it, because it helps my skin stay clean and clear of acne. Okay, the next two products I have right here are shampoos. The way I run out of shampoo, I don't know. I need help because underneath this wig I have on a low cut hair, and I wash my hair like every other day. I don't must wash with the shampoo, because I use products, gel and all of that stuff. And sometimes I just want my hair to be fresh and don't want any product in it. I always make use of a shampoo. This is from a brand called Gentle. When I couldn't lay my hands on the what's it called now? Nature's Gentle Touch Herbal Blend shampoos. I got recommended this one by the sales girl in one of the supermarkets I visit, and this is the apple crunch of it, and this is the coconut smooth. Both of them are really, really nice. I've already repurchased this apple crunch. I love it almost as much as I love my Nature's Gentle Touch. Can't believe I said that. And it's also quite affordable too. I've not found this coconut smooth in a long while, but the scent of this, heavenly. So those are just some of the empties I have right now. I think they were up to 10 product empties, and I've told you the ones I love and the ones that I'm going to be repurchasing. This one is just going to go straight to the bin. That's elf eyeshadow quad. Thank you guys so much for I was out of frame. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.